A 4.5% climb in Chainlink is anticipated by crypto predictions for tomorrow. Let's take a quick glance at today's market situation. Today, Chainlink is down by 1.2% and trades close to the $9.50 mark. Let's jump into analyst predictions now. According to 30 rates, we could be heading toward $9.30 tomorrow, a move that reflects a 2.1% decline. Chainlink might move down to $9.37 per coin codex. That's about 1.4% lower than now. Coin price forecast notes it might move higher toward $9.53, roughly 0.3% up. A separate analysis by Cryptodictions points to Chainlink moving up to $9.93, a potential gain of 4.5%. To finish, CoinDataFlow expects the price at $10.07 by May 26, which is 6% higher than the current price. This is the top return forecast we have seen. That sums up 5 expert insights. Let's go to the next. Let's sum up what all 5 analysts expect based on their forecasts. According to all forecasts, price movement could span from a decline of 2.1% to an increase of 6%. As the data shows, CoinDataFlow offers the top projected return with 6% growth in value by May 26. From this, you could see returns of between $3 and $60 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to the probability of success, CoinPrice forecast leads the way at 91%. By putting all the forecasts side by side, I've drawn up a consensus view. Based on consensus, Chainlink is likely to stand near $9.64. Okay, let's take a closer look. Consensus modeling indicates a 1.5% move higher. As a result, your capital might also rise by roughly 1.5%. On a 1,000 position, that could potentially translate into about $15 in profit. And looking at the odds, this consensus scenario for Chainlink holds a probability close to 84.7%. Before we continue, let's see how analysts expect the price to move in the next 3 days. 30 rates suggests bearish momentum will dominate. The outlook from Also Coin Codex shows the price drifting lower. The short-term signal from Coin Price Forecast is clearly bullish. Also, Crypto Predictions suggest the short-term path is upward. A stronger push upward is likewise expected by CoinDataFlow. By merging the analyst projections, the consensus highlights a flat outlook for Chainlink. So, when all forecasts are considered, the majority outlook highlights Chainlink moving in an upward direction. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts went live. Let's see how they looked against the actual price. Ultimately, the actual closing price was $9.43. Yesterday showed that most analysts captured the correct move. If precision is what counts, Coin Price Forecast had the best result. Now we'll take it step by step. Just one forecast was captured inside yesterday's move. Looking at ROI, some forecasts closed in the green, and the highest figure was 1.4%. Up next is the performance table. See how the forecasts actually played out. Recorded values for CoinLore: 55.4% forecast probability, $0.25 accuracy, and 1.4% ROI. Look and see who stayed closest to the real price movement. Here's how tomorrow's predictions look for various cryptos compared with Chainlink. Fetch leads the outlook with 2.2% and Chainlink trails below. At this stage, Chainlink is compared with only 4 random cryptocurrencies. The full table with many more assets is already waiting on my website. Before you go, subscribe to stay updated with the next group of analyst predictions. Have a good day ahead.